We're a team of economists and lawyers from Germany, Belgium and Taiwan with a proposal to supplementing forest sustainability certificates with fiscal instruments. In theory, sustainable forestry could be one of the cheapest ways to mitigate global climate change, so forestry concerns us all whether or not we live in countries with great forests. Many developed countries have the declared objective of supporting forest sustainability around the globe, even though the world's most important forests are, in fact, outside their jurisdictions. Actions to protect these forests are therefore constrained by the legal problem of extraterritoriality. To legally act outside their borders, developed countries have supported sustainability certificates on production practices and price-based instruments. However, neither of these instruments reached beyond niche market shares, administration and compliance costs were high, and the two types of instruments worked alongside each other without much synergies. In this project, we develop an economically and legally feasible way to integrate forest sustainability certificates with price-based instruments in a way that exploits synergies and gives dynamic incentives for sustainable use of forests by keeping down the costs. It is a scheme that satisfies extraterritoriality constraints by allowing countries to act outside their borders, enabling deeper and more efficient collaboration between developed and developing countries in the forestry sector, as well as less carbon leakage. This mechanism contains a tax imposed by a timber importing country on the default assumption regarding the sustainability of the imported timber, combined with a tax discount that is provided on proof that the sustainability was higher than assumed. The proof is established by showing a sustainability certificate to the customs authority when the timber is imported. This fee-based mechanism overcomes a range of standard problems in the literature on certification. Currently, it is hard to efficiently increase the use of sustainability certificates in end consumer markets because there is strong evidence from behavioral economics that consumers are not able to adequately differentiate between multiple green labels. As a result, the space for efficient competition in the current market for sustainability certificates is limited, and this lack of competition drives up administration and compliance costs. More problematically yet, sustainability certificates are currently not able to provide dynamic incentives to most producers, and there are large threshold investments needed to attain certificates, and these threshold investments foreclose the entry of small producers. We believe that our mechanism overcomes each of these problems for the forestry sector, but the mechanism would be applicable more widely. Our mechanism also suggests a solution to the great data needs for efficient pricing of externalities in the forestry sector. Data unavailability is often cited as a major barrier to the use of fiscal instruments in forestry, and we propose a way to resolve this problem that works without causing high administration and compliance costs. To take this proposal forward, we would be grateful to researchers joining our team's work in further modeling the mechanism. Secondly, we would be very grateful for support with the political dissemination.